I'm so excited. If you don't know, we started selling the Vox Weather Tornado Twister weather station on our website. If you haven't checked it out yet, please do. It measures all kinds of cool data. You can become your own weather expert. Stuff like humidity, temperature, wind speed, even growing degree days. You have to go and see it for yourself. We've already got a few stations up and running, more than 400 across the country. And these are your extremes this past week. Where more than 120 millimeters on Monday fell there near Bela Bela in Limpopo due to a cut of low weather system. On Wednesday, wind gust of more than 110 kilometers per hour near the Voelvlei Dam and close to 40 degrees in Van Reynsdorp here in the West Coast District. It was quite chilly at times in KwaZulu-Natal. Now, enough of the cool extreme weather data. Let's have a look at your weekend forecast. If you wake up on Saturday morning, it will be foggy here on the west coast with some foggy patches over the Overberg as well as the Free State and parts of the Highveld. And then later becoming sunny over large parts of South Africa into the afternoon. Thunderstorms expected to bubble up over the northeastern regions, becoming scattered over Lesotho as well as the bordering regions of the Free State, KwaZulu-Natal, as well as the Highveld of Mpumalanga. It's there where the South African Weather Service has issued a yellow level 2 warning for the possibility of severe storms. Isolated afternoon, evening storms expected to move over northwest the Free State and including Gauteng, with a few isolated storms likely to move over the coast of KwaZulu-Natal into Saturday night. And then on Sunday, we've got a low pressure system or coastal low sitting just off the coast of KwaZulu-Natal, bringing in some cloud, a few light showers at first and foggy conditions yet again foggy along the west coast and parts of Cape Town as well as the southern coastline. Later, lots of sunshine over the central, western and southern regions of South Africa, with more thunderstorms expected to move over the northeastern part of the country. Now also becoming scattered over Gauteng and the southern regions of Limpopo. Yet again, scattered storms in the forecast for the Highveld of Mpumalanga and here in part of the Free State and KwaZulu-Natal. Only a few isolated morning showers due to that coastal low likely in parts of KwaZulu-Natal. Let's quickly have a look at next week, Monday. The probability of thunderstorms shifting a little bit more westwards. Isolated storms also now likely in the northern Cape and parts of the eastern Cape. Remaining dry in the far west as well as the north. Windy along the coast of the northern and western Cape. Still a fresh to strong southerly wind blowing at times. A high fire danger in place due to breezy conditions at times where winds can blow fresh over the interior of the Cape provinces, especially the northern Cape and the Crew, and a northeasterly wind blowing fresh over the northern coast of KwaZulu-Natal. And then later we can see those winds turning clockwise around that low pressure system with southwesterly winds expected along the coast, bringing in a few light showers, a moderate breeze for the southern coastline, and still a fresh onshore flow expected along the west coast. Sizzling hot on Saturday in the northern Cape with temperatures close to 40 degrees in Upington as well as the Kalahari, 22 in Cape Town, and becoming a warm to hot over the northeastern regions. On Sunday, 30 in Johannesburg, but yet again it is going to be a boiling hot today here in the northern Cape, dry and windy at times, so the weather service warning against runaway fires. 37 in Kimberley, close to 40 degrees yet again on Monday in Upington, and hot weather returns to KwaZulu-Natal. 30 on Monday in Durban as well as Johannesburg, and above 30 degrees in northwest and Mpumalanga. 22 for Cape Town, George and Gqeberha. Well, that's all from me, and before you go, we know that the Springboks are taking on England on a Saturday. Now, the complete opposite weather in England, where it's only going to be 10 degrees in the afternoon when the Springboks take on England, and then some light drizzle possible during the game with a temperature of 9 degrees. That's quite chilly compared to temperatures close to 40 in parts of South Africa. Well, good luck, boys. We know you got this.